Greetings, travelers and wanderers alike. Today we're going to be doing a review tour of the two-bedroom oceanfront premier room here at the Prince Waikiki. So without further ado, we're going to be entering room 3014. So as you walk in, immediately to your right, you have a closet area, which we'll get to momentarily, but let's just start in the bathroom. Very spacious, extra spacious bathroom, which does come with a full-size tub. As well, it comes with this attachment in case you want to hang any wet items. They either come from the beach or come from the swimming pool down below. You have a huge mirror here. The lighting is very sufficient. I'm gonna call this a smart vanity because anytime you're in the front of it, it will illuminate for you as well. So I think that's a pretty good feature. You have a couple power outlets here for any devices you might need to plug in, hair dryers, clippers, so on and so forth. There's also a blow dryer provided as well. So coming into main facilities, in here you have a commode with all your fun items in case you want to do some cleaning while you're sitting, while you're thinking, while you're plotting and planning. It's also a heated seat as well, so that's a plus. You have a large shower here, as well as some provided products here. Body wash, conditioner, shampoo. Pressure from the shower head is pretty good as well. Yep, and that's your bathroom. Very spacious, very spacious. Here in your closet area, you have plenty of storage for your luggage. Doesn't really matter how many people. You can always collapse this suitcase holder here, create more space. It does come with an iron board and iron as well as a provided list for any dry cleaning or laundry services. Extra pillow, extra storage at the top. Hard hangers, soft hangers, as well as a couple robes for your comfort. Coming into a living space, easy to use AC and heating unit, works very well. Coming into the living space here, you have this large, almost floor to ceiling mirror. You have another little space here where you can just sit down, put on your shoes, take off your shoes. Normal little seating area, or there's also some extra storage underneath. And based on availability, you have a complimentary welcome bag here by the Prince Waikiki. So here's your view. Floor to ceiling windows, which is pretty standard for all rooms. 2 queens. Here you got 2 outlets, which you technically have to share between both beds with 2 USBs as well. You got your electronic control for your sheer and blackout curtains, which I'll show you in a little bit. Easy to use phone, as well as some storage in between where you have some reading material and flashlight as well. So some varied things that are a little different between this room and a king room, and I'm pretty sure a suite as well, is the components of the cabinets. Everything inside will all be the same, but what's contained in them and how they open will be a little different. So in this cabinet here you have a refrigerator, small fridge, but it's functional, it works. You have your built-in cabinet safe. plenty of space. Directions available as well. And above, you have your ice holder with a couple glasses with the wine and bottle opener as well. Over in this cabinet, you have your tea, coffee with an electric kettle. Then underneath, you have even more storage. So plenty of storage here if you want to unpack, settle in. And I will tell you, this is definitely a premises where it's easy to settle in and stay for a little while. It's a great location, extra comfortable. Additionally, you have another side table here, desk, chair, couple power outlets, USB, and additional outlets on the side here. Got another seating area with the table in case you want to eat something, read something, catch a view of the harbor. A couple more outlets here and USB. So there's plenty of space to store things in case you want to maximize this already sizable room, whether it's just for a couple families or if you have children. There's plenty of places for them to sit, do any activities as well, if you're ever in your room for an extended period of time. TV functions, which is going to be better than your standard or budget or regular hotels. Here I'm actually on the internet TV, so you can get on to YouTube as well. And you can also do a little Netflixing, sign into your account, catch up on some shows while you catch a sunset, or just have a little downtime, catch up on a movie as well. Other functions, let's say you have regular TV guide in case you want to just watch something local, new movies. Last time I checked, it wasn't properly functioning, but let's check it out now. No config. That's fine. But you have your resort services, your music, which you can log into your account, and then just the portfolio of any bills and things that you've accumulated during your stay. You can control the television with your phone by scanning the QR code, but you already have a remote, so it's up to your content. This is a very spacious room. As I've been learning, there's a lot of things that go into the decor and the culture of all these rooms in particular. But here you have your sheer, and above you have your blackout curtain. So if you just come over here to your control, we're just gonna go sheer. It should light up. I'm gonna raise them. Boom, simple as that. That simple. And if you like natural air like myself, you can open these windows all the way up. Catch you a nice view. Over here you have next to the Hilton, Ilokai, you got the Hilton Lagoon. This is just a very special view of Ala Wai Harbor. Nice sunset, nice view of Magic Island here as well. And in this particular room, directly below, you're actually right above the pool. Not just any pool, it is your infinity pool. Also, there are cabanas available for you to rent. You can can also set up a session at the Night Spa as well. Make some reservations, get you a Lomi hot spa, massage, or hot stone, cold stone, all those great things. Aside from all those great details, that concludes this video, this room tour. Hope you all was able to get something out of it and keep wondering for wonder's sake. Catch a sunset.